Honey, a natural sweetener, has a multitude of potential benefits when consumed before bedtime. This sweet and golden elixir, created by bees from nectar, has been treasured for its medicinal properties for centuries. Here are 7 key benefits of incorporating honey into your bedtime routine. 1. Improved sleep quality. Honey is often regarded as a sleep-inducing remedy. It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that can be converted into serotonin and subsequently melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Consuming honey before bed can potentially help you fall asleep more quickly and enjoy a more restful night's sleep. 2. Soothing sore throat. If you're dealing with a sore throat or a nagging cough, honey can offer relief. Its natural soothing and antimicrobial properties can help reduce irritation and discomfort in the throat, making it easier to sleep without disruptions. 3. Natural cough remedy. Honey acts as a natural cough suppressant. It forms a protective coating in the throat, reducing the urge to cough. This can be particularly helpful for a peaceful night's sleep when you're struggling with a persistent cough. 4. Enhanced digestion. Honey's mild laxative properties can support healthy digestion. Having honey before bed may prevent indigestion and heartburn, helping you sleep more comfortably without the discomfort of digestive issues. 5. Quick energy boost. Honey is primarily composed of natural sugars, including glucose and fructose, which can provide a quick energy boost. If you're feeling low on energy before bedtime, a teaspoon of honey can offer a gentle pick-me-up, ensuring you have enough energy for a good night's sleep. 6. Weight management. For those with a sweet tooth, substituting honey for refined sugars can be a healthier choice. The natural sweetness of honey can help satisfy your craving for sweets while offering potential health benefits. It's a wiser choice for those looking to manage their weight or make healthier dietary choices. 7. Antioxidant properties. Honey contains a variety of antioxidants that can help protect your cells from the damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants promote overall health and well-being, indirectly contributing to better sleep by ensuring your body is in optimal condition. Despite these advantages, it's crucial to exercise moderation when consuming honey. Excessive intake can lead to weight gain and other health issues, as honey is calorie-dense. Additionally, if you have allergies to bee products or diabetes, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating honey into your bedtime routine. To experience the potential benefits of honey before bedtime, consider stirring a teaspoon of honey into a warm glass of milk or herbal tea. The warm liquid can further enhance the soothing and relaxing effects of honey, making it a delightful bedtime ritual. In summary, honey is a versatile natural remedy that offers numerous potential advantages when consumed before bedtime. From improving sleep quality to soothing a sore throat and enhancing digestion, honey can be a valuable addition to your nighttime routine, promoting overall well-being and restful sleep. Just remember, moderation is key, and if you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it's always a good idea to seek guidance from a healthcare professional.